As an agency owner, you can use the Stripe one-time charge trigger in your client's sub-account to charge them per lead. The one-time charge event is perfect for the pay-per-lead or pay-per-show models, where they're automatically charged each time a form is submitted or an appointment is booked. To use the one-time charge event in workflows, you first need to integrate your Stripe account inside the agency settings by going to the Stripe tab, clicking the Connect to your Stripe account button, then logging in and granting access to Stripe. Next, log into your Stripe account. Click into the Customers tab on the top left and click into the customer you want to use the one-time charge event with. Under Details, you will see the customer's ID. Simply click to copy the ID, and then let's head back over to HighLevel, where we'll create a workflow for implementing the one-time charge event. Click into Automation on the left-hand side navbar. Make sure you're inside the Workflows tab. Click into the Create Workflow button, and then select Start from Scratch, and then select Create New Workflow. First, we need to set the workflow trigger, so click into the Add New Workflow trigger. In this example, we want to run a charge each time an appointment is booked on a specific calendar. So for the bottom field, we'll click and select Appointment, and then we'll click Add Filters, where we'll click the drop-down and select In Calendar, and then choose the calendar that we want to trigger the charge. Next, we're going to add another filter, so click again on Add Filters, and this time we're going to select Appointment Status, and then we're going to choose Confirmed. Now, whenever anyone books an appointment from the specific calendar and the appointment status is confirmed, this workflow will fire. Next, we're going to add our event. So click into the plus symbol and search for Stripe one-time charge trigger. Next, we'll add our client's Stripe customer ID here so that they're charged each time an appointment is booked. And below, you can put the amount that should be charged. For this example, we will put $1 for the charge. And now you can hit save and publish our workflow. And next, we're going to test it out to make sure it's all working properly. Back out of the workflow and click into the Calendars tab, and then click into the Calendar settings. Next, we're going to book an appointment on the calendar that we have linked with our workflow. Add in test information and submit the appointment. Now that we've made the appointment, let's head back over to our workflow to check if the charge went through. Click Go Back at the top left of the nav bar, and then go into the Automations tab, and then click into the workflow that we just created. Next, we're going to click into the History tab to view the transactions. And from here, we can see that the transaction was executed. And under the More Details tab, you can click the icon to open up a more detailed view. And you can see that the event status was a success. Now we're going to swap back over to Stripe and see how it looks on the Stripe side. Once inside your Stripe account, navigate over to the Payments tab at the top left, and you will see your one-time charge payment succeeded. And if you'd like to ever do a refund, you can do so by clicking on the arrow icon on the right-hand side. And you're done. You have now set up a Stripe one-time payment trigger.